Hello everyone. Today for phonics, I am going to say a couple of words for you, and I want you to try and think, what sound do you hear in both of the words that I say? So the first word that I'm going to say is shed, and the next one is ship. Shed and ship. What sound do you hear in both of those words? We hear sh in both of those words. Now I'm going to say two more words, and I want you to listen for the sound you hear in both of those words. This time the words I'm going to say are brush and crash. Brush and crash. What sound do you hear in both brush and in crash? We heard the sh sound in brush and crash as well. So the letters that make up the sound sh are SH. So an S and an H, when we see these letters in a word, it makes the sh sound. Just like we would say, shh, be quiet. So grade 1, the SH sound can come at the beginning of a word like ship, shell, and shed, but the SH sound can also come at the end of a word like brush and crash. So what I'm going to do is say a couple of words, and I want you to decide if the SH sound comes at the beginning or if it comes at the end. So after I say each word, feel free to shout out beginning or end. The first word is shut. Shut. Did you hear the SH sound at the beginning or did you hear it at the end? The next word is dish. Dish. Did you hear the sh sound, SH, at the beginning or at the end? The next word is shark. Do you hear shark, the SH in shark, at the beginning or at the end of the word? Short is the next word. Short. Do you hear sh, SH, at the beginning of the word or at the end of the word? The next word we have is fish. Do you hear sh or SH at the beginning of fish, or do you hear it at the end of fish? Our next word is rush. Rush. Do you hear that sh or SH at the beginning of rush, or do you hear it at the end of rush? Our last word is share. Do you hear the SH sound in the beginning of the word or at the end of the word? Share. Do you hear it at the beginning or do you hear share at the end? Wonderful, grade 1. Please open up your books to page 36. We're going to take a look at the SH sound in the next couple of pages. Remember, SH says shh. So on page 36, we have some pictures here. For the first 3 pictures, you're going to circle the picture that has the SH sound at the beginning. Then for the last ones, you're going to circle the picture that has the SH sound at the end of the word for the picture. On the next page, on page 37, you have some pictures. The word is beside the picture. I want you to circle the word that shows the picture. On page 38, I want you to try your very best to read these words out loud. To write the words on the line, remember we're doing our neatest work, and to circle the picture for the word. On page 39, you have those pictures here, but this time you're going to write the word beside the picture. The word is in the word bank, so you do know how to spell it. Try and do your very neatest writing again. On page 40, you have the picture. This time you're going to circle the beginning, middle, and end sound and write it down. Then tomorrow, you have the next couple of pages. You're going to read the questions and put a check or an X in the box that if the answer is yes or no. On page 42, you're going to read the two sentences and then put an X in the box for yes or no. And then on page 43, you're going to write the word. Remember to try and do it on your own first, but if you can't, then to look back and see how you spelled it before or how it was spelled before. So if you finish that work and you'd still like something else to do, there are some SH words on the schedule for the week. Now, each of these words have more than one meaning. Sometimes words have more than one meaning. An example of that is shade. So the word shade is an SH word. We hear sh in shade. But shade could be referring to more than one thing, or it could mean more than one thing. Shade could be like the dark areas underneath the tree, the shade of the tree. Shade could also be like the blinds in your house. Sometimes they say pull the shade down. That means to make it darker somewhere. And shade also means like the color of something. So you could say, that's a nice shade of blue. And it could mean like a light blue or a dark blue. So shade also means the color of something. So in the schedule, there were some SH words that have more than one meaning. Feel free to draw a picture for each meaning or to write a sentence for each meaning that has a word in it.